In this tutorial, I'll show you how to embed a blog into your Weebly website. Let's get started. Open your browser and go to weebly.com, then sign in to your Weebly account. Click Website, select Edit Site, and open the website where you want to display the embedded blog. Next, open a new browser tab and go to the platform that hosts your blog. For this example, we'll use Blogger. Open the blog or widget you want to embed, switch to the HTML view if available, and copy the HTML embed code. Return to the Weebly editor and make sure you're on the Build tab. In the left panel, find the embed code element. If you don't see it, click Show All Elements to display the complete list of elements. Drag the embed code element to the section of your page where you want the blog to appear. Click the element, choose Edit Custom HTML, and paste the HTML code you copied from your blog platform. After pasting the code, the embedded blog will appear on your page. Preview the layout to make sure it displays correctly. Then save and publish your website so visitors can view the embedded content. That's how to embed a blog into your Weebly website. Thanks for watching.